whose author is Sunak Hogronya.
Allah.
Yeah, he is Holland.
She's crazy.
Yeah, he was
Hypocrite.
Yeah.
Hypocrite.
Yeah, that one we need to see from different angles. He was a hypocrite, but he recorded lots of Achenese histories where Achenese themselves do not really care about that. So the actual writings of him was written in Dutch language and it has been translated into English, so people like us can easily understand the content. And the second type,
You have the ebook, can you share?
yeah, I got it.
Later on.
Second type of book is political books. It's fikih siasah.
Okay, good.
I'm fascinated, I'm attracted in reviewing which one is correct, which one is not, about the recent happenings, both locally and in abroad. For example, in the capital or in the Blue Ocean countries, Middle East, I mean. Yeah, I'm fascinated. But the ones whose interest is to analyze political issues or to read political books need to have idealisms. So you stand on your idealism so that you can read many ideologies of politics. If you do not, so yeah, do not try to do like this. Yeah, it's so perilous, dangerous.